discuss about the Nazi worldview. It means Hitler's policy of racism. Hitler was greatly influenced by the ideology of two thinkers, Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Charles Darwin was a natural scientist who came up with the concept of evolution. And Herbert Spencer, he added the theory of survival of the fittest. And Nazis used these two principles into their ideology of racism. According to Nazi argument, the strongest race would survive and the weak one would perish. Hitler believed in another principle. He believed in concept of Lebensraum, means living space. It means acquiring more territories for living of the best race. And who were the best race according to the Nazis? The Nordic Aryans. The Nordic Aryans were considered as the best race. It means only the Nordic Aryans would survive and the rest would perish. That was the Nazi worldview. So what the Nazis did to establish a racial state, let us discuss. After coming to power, the first thing the Nazis did was to implement their dream of the racial state. How did they establish the racial state? They created an exclusive racial community of pure Germans. Now, who were the pure Germans? The Nordic Aryans were considered as the pure Germans. Then to establish the territory of pure Germans, what was to be done? All the people who were considered as undesirable were to be eliminated. Now, who were considered as undesirable in Germany? The Jews were in the topmost list. They were considered as undesirable people. They were to be eliminated. The Gypsies. ये Gypsies कौन थे? The Sintis and Roma people. Exactly their origin was from India. So Gypsies were also considered as undesirable people. The Russians, the Poles. Poles means the people from Poland because Poland was occupied by the Nazis. So they were considered as undesirable. Now, what steps were taken by the Nazis for these undesirable people? Poland was totally occupied. Half of the territory was merged with Germany and half of the territory were, converted into concentration camps. So the Jews were sent to ghettos there. They were considered as killers of Christ. Who? The Jews. Then they were also considered as usurers. Then they were sent to ghettos, the killing centers. They swatched based on pseudo-scientific theories of race. Now, what was pseudo-scientific theory of race? ये एक दिमागी थिंकिंग था. ऐसा कोई साइंटिफिक बेस नहीं था कि लोगों को रेस की बेस पे मारा जाए. बट हिटलर and his party, Nazis, they were having such theories which was purely based on psychology. They are psychology. कि ये अच्छे रेस है और ये बिल्कुल अच्छे रेस नहीं है. So that's why it was known as pseudo-scientific. So the Jews, the Gypsies, the Russians and Poles all were sent to the ghettos, the killing centers, as they were considered as undesirable people in Germany. Now, how Nazis established racial utopia? People were herded like cattle and they were sent to the other part which was having general government. ऐसे कोई नाम नहीं होता है, बड़े अच्छे अच्छे नाम होता था. जनरल गवर्नमेंट. एग्जैक्टली दे वर किलिंग फील्ड्स फॉर ज्यूस. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं बोला गया कि वो किलिंग फील्ड फॉर ज्यूस थे. It was named as general government. This was the destination for undesirable. All the intelligentsia were murdered. Race experts ऐसे लोग होते थे जो रेस एक्सपर्ट्स माना जाते थे. They were snatching the polished children from their mothers who were looking like Aryans. अगर वो अपने चेहरे से, नाक से, मुंह से, होठ से ऐसे पता चला कि वो नॉर्डिक आर्यन जैसे दिखता है, तो उस बच्चे को खींच के ले जाते थे फ्रॉम द मदर एंड दे वर टेस्टेड. साइंटिफिकली कोई टेस्ट नहीं होता था. इट वॉज स्यूडो साइंटिफिक बेस्ड ऑन साइकोलॉजी. तो रेस एक्सपर्ट्स उस बच्चे को चेक करते थे. अगर उनको लगता था कि नहीं ये आर्यंस जैसे दिखता है तो उस बच्चे को ले लेते थे. ओके, सो दैट वाज द रेशियल यूटोपिया that was created by Nazis, that was created by Hitler's Germany. So this was his crime against humanity, dividing people on the basis of race, killing people mercilessly on the basis of race. So that was his crime against humanity. So that is